you've ever thought of a way to make your grilled steak even better, this Brazilian Steakhouse Basting Sauce is it. It's rich and smoky, which gives your steak that perfect restaurant-style shine and taste. You can find all the ingredients and directions in the description. Start with 3 tablespoons of soy sauce as the base. I used regular soy sauce, but you can also use low sodium. Then, add 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard for that rich, tangy depth. Next, pour in 2 tablespoons of olive oil, followed by 1 tablespoon of brown sugar for a touch of sweetness. You can also use honey instead of sugar. Now, add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce and 1 tablespoon of fresh lime juice to brighten it all up. With that, stir in 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of onion powder for those savory layers of flavor. Then, add half a teaspoon of ground cumin, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, and half a teaspoon of ground black pepper for that smoky, peppery kick. Now, for that beautiful herby touch, sprinkle in half a teaspoon of dried oregano, along with a 1/4 teaspoon of dried thyme. Finally, as the finishing touch, go in with a 1/4 teaspoon of red chili flakes for just the right hint of heat. Now give everything a good mix, using a small whisk, until the sugar dissolves and all the ingredients come together. Just keep watching as we are not done with the final few steps. Next, you must go ahead and pour the mixture into a saucepan and simmer over low heat for 3 to 5 minutes until slightly thickened. Although I didn't add it here, you can also add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch mixed with 1 tablespoon of water and pour it in at this point for a glossier finish. And just like that, your delicious Brazilian Steakhouse Basting Sauce is ready to go. Brush it over your steak during the final few minutes of grilling for that irresistible, glossy, crust, and mouth-watering flavor. If you're left with any unused sauce, just store it in a sealed glass jar and refrigerate for up to 7 days. Warm it slightly before using again and whisk to bring it back together.